Hi friends, so today's video I'm going to be telling y'all where I've been at. Kind of just catching you up, because it's been a while since I did a life update video. I don't even know if I've done one. So yeah, I don't have makeup on because I literally got out the shower, and I'll explain all this in the video. So this might get long, I'm really sorry if it does, but please just stay till the end. And if you hear any rocking, it's my chair. It's broke. Like 2 of the screws came out. I think my nephew had something to do with it, and so now it like wobbles. So I'm really sorry about that. I'm gonna try not to move, but I move and I talk with my hands. So rambling. This is why I don't do talk through videos a lot, because they could end up being 30 minutes. Hopefully this is not 30 minutes. But anyways, so where have I been? Number one, I have been taking care of my nephew. For those of you who don't know and have not seen some of my past vlogs, my nephew is 2 years old and he does live with me. My brother also, well, we all live together, and so my brother has been on night shifts pretty much like this past month. So all of the nighttime care, while sometimes I would share it with my brother, it has now all pretty much fallen primarily on me. My mom helps, but she's older, so she's not old, but she's just like, she's not as young as a 30-year-old myself who can manage and try and keep up with a 2-year-old. So really it's just been a lot more time has been dedicated to my nephew, because he's 2, he's testing the limits of gravity and all other things, and he just requires constant supervision, or he might Superman off the sofa, heaven forbid. So that's pretty much where like my filming time goes to. But secondary to taking care of my nephew, if you don't know, back in December I got a promotion to associate director at my job, and so in moving up higher in the ranks, that kind of means that more time is required of me. So I've had to volunteer more of my weekends, more of my nightlife, or not nightlife, but like more times that I would have been in the past. I was able to kind of like shift off onto people who were higher up. Now I can't do that because I am the higher ups, so that's also taken a toll on me. And thirdly is back in October I went through a breakup, and one of the things that for those of you who don't know, I am a Christian, and so I was like having a conversation with God, and I was just like, you know what, God, however you want me to serve, I'll do it. And if you don't believe, or if you do and you just you don't have a one-on-one relationship with God, I would highly encourage you to definitely develop your relationship. But what he did was he tested me in what I said, because now I am a member of the nursery team. So I volunteer in our nursery at church on Mondays and Wednesdays, or not Mondays, Sundays and Wednesdays, like twice a month. I am part of our teller team, so like the people who count the tithes and offerings. I'm part of that team. I am the PR, marketing, and administrative person for our youth ministries. And in addition to that, I also have been elected as a backup for our audio and visual team. So a lot of things have been kind of put on me, and I haven't shirked any of them. Like I don't mind the responsibility. I like it. It's just like I like being busy, but I'm realizing that in scheduling so many things and juggling so many balls, it really gives me no time for myself. And like YouTube was the one thing that I could do for myself. So I really do apologize to you guys for sliding you down on the priority scale. It was not intentional. It really is just, it's so hard to find time. Like the only reason I can film this video now is because I left my nephew with my mom at church. She doesn't know. She's gonna find out when she goes by the nursery to pick him up. She doesn't know that I just left him there. Not that I like abandoned him, okay? So before anybody comes to me in the comments, he rode with them to church, my mom and dad. So he rode with them, and normally I would pick him up and come back because I had a meeting at church. So I would have just picked him up and brought him back with me, but I was just like, you know what? No, I've got to film something and let you guys know what's going on. And honestly, just telling y'all all of this makes me feel so much better, because I can't explain how much weight has been on me with all these things, because I'm just like, I asked for this, like I asked for it in a way, but I guess I just like I didn't think that it was gonna be like this. And I don't think it would be as bad if I didn't have the whole, you know, raising my nephew too. Like, that in and of itself is a job. So combined with all the other things I'm juggling, it's just a lot has been put on me. And I'm so thankful for all of it. I'm thankful that God, you know, trusts me with all the opportunities I've been afforded. It's just learning to juggle them all has taken some work. And I'm finally getting to a point where I think I can do it. Which is great because I'm trying to add a couple more things to my plate. So first things first, I wanted to cover my hair, like, because I know some of y'all are probably here from the title, and my hair. So if you can't tell, my hair is in some box braids. My sister put them in for me, and it came out of a couple of reasons. The first is just that I was poor and I didn't want to buy any extensions, so we bought some hair and got it popping. The second is I really just want healthy hair. So as much as I love extensions, and I will probably wear extensions from now till, you know, Jesus returns, I want my hair to be healthy and long just on its own without extensions. And part of the issue that I have with my natural hair is I don't have issues with it growing. I just have issues with retaining length. So that's going to be my biggest focus of 2019. Like, you know, I realize I'm turning 30 and I want my natural hair, you know, to be long, because when I get married, if that's in God's plan, not that I'm not going to wear extensions, don't get me wrong, but I want my natural hair to, you know, I don't want to require so much extra. I want a lot of it to already be mine. So, plus everybody's always asking when I get extensions, like, oh, is that your real hair? And I just want to be like, yes. I mean, I do tell them yes, or that, you know, it's mine in a way, or I'll explain like, no, but, you know, I want my natural hair to get this long. So I just need to, this year, I'm going to focus on, growing my hair. So I'm going to be testing out a bunch of different hair vitamins. So look forward to those videos. But I also am going to develop a hair regimen that I can stick with, because one of the biggest issues that I have is just like my ability to commit to something. Like I'm good for it like the first couple of times, but then I'm just like, you know what? Nah, I'm good. You know, I want a shortcut. So I'm going to try and develop a hair regimen that I like and that I can follow and that works for me. And one of the things that I have learned that my hair really likes is moisture. It requires a lot of moisture. So that was the reason that I had to take my taping extensions out, was because with wet hair and tape, it's kind of like a nightmare situation. So I'm going to be going back to my microlink extensions. I just have to order some, honestly, and get them here, and then I'm gonna film a video. I promise I'm gonna do like an actual tutorial for y'all. I'm gonna try. Let me not promise. I'm going to do my level best to get a video filmed for you guys of of microlink extensions. Now, I will still wear taping extensions, don't get me wrong. It's just like not last year, but the year before last, when I did a lot of microlink extensions, I did a lot of braid outs, and I saw a lot of growth in my hair because I was always moisturizing it with water, but I wasn't taking care of it, like detangling and that sort of thing. So that is where the breakage led to in that, and I will link that video down below for anybody who is curious about my hair extensions and all that good stuff. So stay tuned for hair vitamin vlogs, or hair vitamin videos, like reviews. That's what I'm looking for. Also, I'm going to be doing some pros and cons, because I've tried a lot of different techniques when it comes to hair extensions. So I think I want to do a series here on my channel of hair extension pros and cons, and just like each video. So I'll do a tape-in pros and cons video, a microlink and micro loop pros and cons video, sew-in pros and cons video, like all sorts of those types of videos. So if you have any questions, if I say the word videos one more time, if you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section and I will address them. I try to address the questions as they pop up, but just in case I haven't answered your question previously, leave it down in the description, in the comment section, and I will cover it in that video. So if it's a tape-in video or a tape-in question, I'm going to cover it in the tape-in video. I've also been debating doing like a one versus the other video, so which one's best. I don't know if I'm gonna do that yet or not. If you have an opinion on it, leave that down in the comment section. If you're not subscribed to my channel, you should probably go ahead and hit that little button down there and subscribe. I cannot even tell you when I post new videos, because I don't know. As time permits, I post new videos. Also, y'all, I've been thinking, so that's pretty much everything, like, to catch y'all up. But I've also been thinking about starting a business because as much as I love my job, I do not want to be in administrative work for the rest of my life. Like, I've always had a dream of owning my own business. So I've been debating opening my own boutique. And so in thinking about doing that, I've tried it before and it didn't fail, but it was not as successful. Like, I didn't follow all the steps I needed to, and I didn't put forth the work that I needed to. But I think now, like, I'm ready to really give it as much attention as I can. So if y'all would be interested in watching that journey, leave that down in the comment section. I don't know if I want to film like the whole journey, or if I want to, you know, put that on this channel or start a new like vlog channel and kind of cover, you know, the start process all the way down to like ordering things and all that, because I've done a lot of the steps already with my other business. But this is a different type of business. The first boutique I had was me selling like clothes and stuff. But this time I'm thinking something a little bit different. And if you guys are interested, I will make a separate video about that. I don't want to make this one too long because I know I can talk, and I don't even know how long it would get if I were to go into all of that information too. So if y'all would be interested in watching those videos, leave a comment down in the description, in the comment section. Why do I keep saying description box? But leave a comment in the comment section, and I will be sure to consider it. I don't know. Again, and any suggestions you have on like topics you want to see me cover, whether it should be on this channel or if I should just put that on a different channel because y'all would prefer hair videos on this channel. What would you guys like to see from me? Do you want obviously more hair videos, but do you want makeup reviews? Do you want, you know, once I get my skin right? It's like all kinds of messed up right now, y'all. Like, I feel like a Nestle Crunch bar because my skin is so bumpy, and I'm just like, what is going on? Because it was doing so well for so long, and now it's just like, I know you're turning 30, but here's some, you know, teen acne to go with it. Like, I don't understand, because my face wasn't even this bad in high school. Like, I don't get it, but whatever. Also, I am going, hopefully, to Atlanta at the end of the month to celebrate my 30th birthday. For those of you who do not know, probably don't know a lot of stuff about me, but just because like it's never really relevant in a video. But my sister and I have our birthdays are 5 days apart. So mine is the 21st and hers is the 26th. And so she'll be turning 31 this year. I'll be turning 30. So we decided to hit Atlanta for our birthdays. Just because she's never been to Atlanta, and I've been, but it's only been like flying through. I'm rambling. So anyways, I may vlog that trip. If I do, you guys will see the footage of it. I've been thinking about filming a video of like me packing up my makeup and stuff. I don't really know. Or like a hairstyle on a budget, because I don't know if I'll be able to get some extensions ordered and put in time. Probably not. Just because like shipping and all that stuff. But anyways, I've rambled enough, you guys. I love you so very much. Thank you if you watch this video. You are the true MVP. You really care about me, and y'all legit, like, y'all are what keep me going. Like, I know that sounds crazy, but me thinking about just like talking to y'all and telling you how much stress I feel like I'm under, and this is not to like say that anybody else is under stress, but just being able to like share my struggle makes me feel better. So anyways, I love y'all. Stay beautiful. Subscribe, like, comment. I think that's everything. So I will see you guys later.